The Electric Pressure Washer 2025 is an impressive tool boasting a powerful force of 5,000 pounds per square inch and 2.8 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning tasks. This pressure washer is designed for convenience and durability, featuring a 33-foot pressure hose and an integrated hose reel to prevent leaks and extend your reach during cleaning. It is equipped with an intelligent total stop system that conserves energy by automatically shutting off the machine when the trigger is not engaged, which also helps in prolonging the washer's lifespan. Offering versatility, the washer includes 4 quick connect nozzles that allow you to adjust the spray strength from a gentle wash to a powerful blast suitable for various surfaces. A foam cannon is included, enhancing your car washing experience by providing a professional-level touch with its effective soap application. Constructed with advanced materials, this washer also comes with a garden adapter and detergent tank, ensuring you are well prepared for any cleaning challenge.